Hey guys, welcome back to Vinceville Custom. So today we are going to go over the DXA Designs Age of Apocalypse Jean Grey 1/4 scale statue sculpted by Sheridan Deuce. I did a video on the Wolverine. This is the Jean Grey that goes with it. I really love what DXA is doing. I love Age of Apocalypse line. This is probably my favorite X-Men story ever. I just love it. So being able to work on these statues and see them come to life is just awesome. You know, I mean, I know, all the major companies are always doing, the Jim Lee era and the basic, X-Men stuff, but Age of Apocalypse stuff is just great, and I'm having fun working on this stuff. Would love to own them myself, but no room or money, but, it's really great to, at least get these painted up. So this is the Jean Grey. The cool thing about these DXA statues so far, like I did with the Wolverine, is that they come in pieces and everything works good, but they're not like bulky. There's not like 100 pieces. There's not, it's not like the bases are taking up all the room. So it's really cool. So let's see how this one works out. We'll see all the pieces. I want to make sure that everything I do, I'm not ready to paint these up just yet. So I got to kind of go over them to show you guys what's going on. So right away we'll take out the booty shot right there. Really cool. Sheridan did a really nice job. These are casted up by Ownage, so these things are just pretty much ready to go. I mean, there's really not much to do to these things other than maybe wash it up a little bit and then clean it, but we already got the legs right there. We got the hands in here. Let's see, what do we got over here? I want to be careful I don't break anything pulling stuff out. So these are the rubber pieces for the sticker at the bottom. Here is her one arm. Here is the torso. So we got this going on right there. I mean, look at this. I mean, literally it's just a matter of painting up pieces and just putting in magnets. So that's actually really cool though. I mean, sometimes, I wish the whole body was together and it wasn't magnetized, but I understand it's good for packing purposes. So you could paint this up and literally just pack them back up into pieces into this foam and send it out to the client. It's like it's done, it's ready to go. You don't have to worry about repacking and everything, which is kind of cool. So it looks like we got a little bit of a hair piece over there. We got the hand, we got the other stuff. So let's see, like I said, I don't want to break anything. So we got the arm over there. So I'm going to set this up on the airbrush booth so you guys can get a better idea, but I just kind of want to show you guys how it's packed and how everything's going. So this looks like a bottom of the base. That looks like another hair piece. This is the head. So like I said, I want to be very, very careful with what I'm doing. I don't want to snap anything. Really cool. Awesome. Really great. So there's the head. Oh, there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the, let's push this one back here. Let's kind of bring this one over here so you can see what's in the box. So we got the bottom of the base. So this base actually connects to the Age of Apocalypse Wolverine that DXA did as well. So here we go. We got a little bit of stuff that we'll have to, a little bit more complex. So we got all these little pouches. So we'll have to paint up these pouches and we'll have to glue them in to around the body and everything. So that means what I do is when I glue these in and everything, I'll have to recut some of this foam when you put those pieces back in. But that's nothing major. What do we got over here? And, oh, okay, so we got the glowing hand power, I think it is. Or, yeah, I guess this goes onto the hand. So we got the glowing clear hand power. So that's something else we have to look into. So Jean Grey would be a little bit more than the Wolverine, but that's okay. I want to make sure I put that in there right. So we might not pull that one out, but here's the base. So I'm going to pull out the base. We'll get it set up as much as I can on the thing so you guys can get a better idea. But I love this stuff from Ownage. I really do. I mean, they have gone to above and beyond with these kits. And just making these things just 10 times easier and just cleaner and just all around just super professional. So let me get this set up and then we'll show you a better view of it all. Okay, here's the Jean Grey. Now, she may look a little weird in the head only because we don't have all the hair pieces onto her. And I don't have the power on her hand, and I don't have all the belt buckle stuff. So I don't want to put all that stuff together right now, of course, but It's a great kit. I like it. This is gonna go great with the Wolverine. I think Sheridan did a great job on this one too. Got a nice little booty going there. Nice figure for Jean. Just screams Age of Apocalypse. Yeah, so he did a really great job on this. These Age of Apocalypse kits are just coming out amazing. It does come in a lot of pieces, a little bit confusing. So this foot connects to the main base, this piece magnetizes in, and this foot connects to there. So the only thing I'm a little bit concerned about is this leg here. This leg magnetizes and this leg goes here. So I guess I understand why they did that. But like I said, I wish maybe both legs were attached. So I don't know, we might have to talk to the client to see what we want to do. But I guess for them to get this into the base and everything, we'll see. I don't know. And the other thing too is just this hand right here doesn't go in all the way. So I just got to do a little bit of Dremel work just to make sure that goes in. But other than that, I mean, really great. So you have the head separated, the two arms are separated, the upper body attaches into this body here, then this leg is magnetized there. But really great. Just awesome kit. Awesome. This is going to be a lot of fun to paint. Like I said, Age of Apocalypse stuff I could probably paint forever. Just love it. Really great design. They really took a lot of elements too from the whole storyline with the outfit on her. They had a little bit of extra. So you can see all the details to the base. So like I say in all my videos, I don't mind bases for statues that tell a story, but I don't like these big, huge, elaborate bases that take up more than the statue and take up way too room. I like a story with the figure, but I like to focus on the figure more than anything. So you can pretty much see how she looks. So we'll kind of do a quick measure, give you guys an idea. So she's about almost 20 inches from the bottom of the base, 20 and a half, something like that. So yeah, it's good size. Works out really great. She'll be definitely great to, you know, if you have the set of Age of Apocalypse Wolverine and this, you put her behind Wolverine and it works out pretty cool. But like I said, I might have to do just a little bit of tweaking. We'll have to talk to the client. Maybe like I said, maybe what I'll do is, if they want me to, maybe I could just attach this leg here and set it up so it works and then we have an upper torso, unless they want to keep it in pieces. I'm not really sure. We'll see how things work with that. Not ready to work on these yet. I just wanted to do the kit reviews because I got way more stuff to work on this summer. And once I get through that hump, I can get back onto these. So these might be more of like a fall-winter project, the way things are working. Because at least I can prime them up and then have them ready for when the cold weather hits. But awesome, awesome kits. I really love these a lot. I would love to see more Age of Apocalypse stuff. But really great. This is going to be a lot of fun to put together. The hair is great too. Did a really great job with the hair. You can see all the details on the back of the outfit. Awesome stuff. So there you go. That is the Jean Grey. Hopefully you guys like the way she came out. As far as I know, like I said in the Wolverine video, I think these kits are sold out. They went pretty fast. Anyone who owns them is lucky. These are just a great set. So there you go. That's the Age of Apocalypse Jean from DXA Design. So thanks for watching. And we'll be back with some more videos.